cannot be serious. You want me to sacrifice my own kin?
If you don't, the crops will fail and your children will starve anyway. You have reaped the rewards from previous families making the sacrifice. Now it is your turn, and you must do so willingly. Blood begets blood.
Good afternoon, boys. How's everything going?
Hey, boss. Dennis was asking for you again.
Okay. Keep up the good work. Roscoe, come on, boy. Come on. I think I've made myself abundantly clear. I'm not interested in this nonsense.
We all have had to make a sacrifice. Aren't you interested in feeding your family?
Dennis, leave me alone. Roscoe! Roscoe! Damn dog. Roscoe! Roscoe! Here, boy! Come on! Damn dog. Oh, you've crossed the line now, Dennis Drury.
Dad, what the hell was that about?
Just that crazy guy from town! Oh, he's talking about human sacrifices. Can you believe it?
Sacrifice?
I don't know. Maybe I heard wrong.
Maybe Dennis isn't as crazy as you think he is.
The rich one is all dead, and that will not be tolerated. No, right, Roscoe? What? I will not tolerate it, I say.
You can't ignore the teachings. Blood begets blood. It might already be too late. The harvest moon is already on the wane.
Get the hell out of my house! What the hell was that?
The flora. Don't fear the Reaper, John. Do this willingly. Make the sacrifice.
I'm going to see what the hell is going on out here.
You know what's going on.
Dad, don't go out there.
I thought you were going to take care of this.
I tried, but you know my father, stubborn as a mule, as they say.
I don't think you're grasping the severity of the situation we're in now.
Why are you looking at me that way?
It's supposed to be just you.
Damn, it's really wedged in there. What was supposed to be me?
Maybe it's not too late. Here, let me get some floss for you, hon.
Thanks. What did she mean it's not too late? What's she talking about, Dennis?
Erin, thank goodness you're here.
So this is the intended sacrifice?
Here, hon. Yes, Davis is our little lamb. That's why I married him.
Wait. What'd you say?
A few years ago, we discovered that a sacrifice didn't have to be directly from the family bloodline. A family spouse would do just fine. Here, darling.
Do you think there's still time?
No. The family is all doomed.
Don't say that. We have the sacrifice right here. Dennis, help me carry Davis out to the fields.
It's too late, Verity. For centuries, our ancestors nurtured this land with the blood of our kin. Either the oblation has to be willing, or the immediate family must be willing to sacrifice one of its own. Your father refused to believe. You must suffer your consequences.
If somebody's out here, I got a gun. No. Roscoe?
Wait! I'm not a part of the family! I'm a lion!
Lord have mercy!
I have served the harvest faithfully for many years, and
Well, John, this turned out rather nicely for me after all. Next year's my family's turn to offer the sacrifice. Shotgun wedding for you and my Donna, then keep you in the basement till the time comes and we're all set.